In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Interactive Brokers paper trading account. If you've been practicing strategies and want a clean slate, or you simply want to adjust your simulated buying power, resetting your paper account is a quick and safe way to do it without affecting any real funds. First, sign in to the client portal for your paper trading account. Make sure you're in the paper environment, not your live account. The reset feature only applies to paper trading, and that's exactly what we want. Once you're signed in, head to Settings. Depending on your layout, you might find it under a gear icon or within your account menu. Inside Settings, look for the option labeled Paper Trading Account Reset. This is the dedicated area where you'll set the new simulated balance and clear out your practice positions. When you open the reset page, you'll see a drop-down with preset amounts, with a default around 1 million in simulated cash. You can choose one of those presets or type in a manual amount that better matches the account size you want to practice with. If you're testing strategies that require more or less buying power, setting a custom amount can help keep your practice aligned with real-world scenarios you plan to trade later. Before you proceed, remember what the reset does. It resets your paper account's cash balance to the amount you choose and clears existing paper positions and open orders. It does not impact your live trading account or real funds. Think of it like restoring a training environment to a known starting point so you can measure your results more cleanly. After you've selected or entered the amount, click Continue to confirm. The system will apply the reset and update your paper account accordingly. It may take a brief moment for balances and positions to reflect the change. Once it's done, you'll have a fresh paper account at the exact simulated balance you selected, ready for new tests, new strategies, and cleaner performance tracking. A couple of tips as you wrap up. If you don't see the paper trading account reset option, double-check that you're in the paper account. Also, be mindful when choosing very large simulated balances. Practice with numbers that mirror what you plan to trade, so your sizing and risk management translate well to real conditions. That's it. A simple reset, a clean start, and you're ready to keep improving your craft in a safe environment.